Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to check Google Form responses on phone. So first, to be able to begin, just head on to the browser of your phone and search for Google Forms. Then right after, there should be an option for you to go ahead and click onto the Google Forms in there and sign in onto your account. Then right after, just choose in the form that you want to go ahead and check its responses. So I have this form that I've created before, so it doesn't have anything in here yet. But if there is a response already to this one, you should be able to find the one under responses. So as you can see, it is still accepting for responses. You should be able to find a different response in here. So let's try to fill this one out. So let's send this first to someone so that they could try to answer this form and we can see its response. So just click onto this icon to send the form and let's copy its URL and let's go ahead and send this to other people to see their responses. So I've sent out the form already. Let's try to see if it will reflect in here. So you can see there is one response already in here. You should be able to see its summary, the questions as well, individual form. So you could see how many responses are there already and what are their response. And that is just basically it on how to track Google Form responses on your phone. And if you think this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.